My dear friends, welcome to AHA Academic. In this video, we are going to discuss time series analysis. Time series analysis, in theory wise, where we are having in the sense, even economics, microeconomics, demand forecasting point of two major division is there. One is qualitative, another one is a quantitative. Upcoming video will discuss what it is exactly mean by demand forecasting. In the qualitative point of two method is there. One is time series analysis method, another one is a cause effect model. The cause effect model, correlation, regression, it is there. In time series average method, moving average method. The following quantitative point of time series analysis, very important factor. This time series analysis, the lead point of at present we are doing data science, business analytics, so many new terminology we are using, but origin starting point only for time series analysis. Based on this, we are going to identify today one problem. So maybe 5 mark or 10 mark, maybe they are going to raise the questions. So this is problem. Find the following. Fit a straight line trend by the method of least square. And second, calculate the trend value. Two question is there. Maximum 5 mark. Due to some reason, sometimes 10 mark also they are going to raise the questions. So in the problem, first they are mentioned year 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 years data available. Production in tons. I mean 12, 10, 14, 11, 13, 15 and 16. This is year wise what is the production details. Now we want to identify trend value. Based on the trend value, for example 2007, 8, 10, 11, what is our expectations? We can calculate. So how we can approach this problem? So you try to make almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 column you try to create. So default first one is a year, second is a production. So production I mentioned is a PRO. So consider as a Y data 12, 10, 14, 11, 13, 15 and 16 is there. Now we want to identify X value. How we can identify X value in the sense, here total 7 years data is there. The mid year, for example, from 2003, 2003, you consider as a, I mean 2003 minus 2003. So you take it as a 0. The mid value is a 0. From 2003, you try to subtract from the year. For example, 2002 minus 2003, values minus 1. Here, next, if you're going to concentrate, next category, minus 2. Next, minus 3. Here, we will come down the below. Here, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Plus is not required. For your understand purpose, I formulated this. How we can identify this value? 2003, make it as a 0. From this, we will go for the further steps. For example, what is the value available in the year? From 2003, you try to subtract. This value, you are going to get it. Now, x square we want to identify. So, minus 3 square. So, minus into minus plus 9. And the second value is a 4. And the third is 1. 0 square, 0, 1, 4 and 9. Now we want to identify x, y. Before that, you concentrate exactly how you have been reached. How many years available? Number of years 7. What is the total productions? I mean ton wise, what is the total productions? I mean summation y equal to 91. This total value 12, 10, 14, 11, 13, 15, 16 all together summation y equal to 19. So here summation x equal to 0. Then summation x square value 941,149 all together it will come exactly 28. Now we want to identify x and y, x into y. I mean what is the x value? X value already we know very well, minus 3 first. Next minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3. What is the y value? So these two things you try to do the multiplications. 12 into minus 3. So minus 36. Then 10 into minus 2 minus 20. Next minus 14. Next 11 into 0, 0. Next 13 into 1 plus 13. Next value you try to concentrate. So here what is the value exactly you try to concentrate? 15 into 2 plus 30. Then 16 into plus 3. I mean symbol I am saying 16 into 9. So exact value is plus 48. It will come plus 48. Now up to this, okay, easily we can formulate the data as well as you identify summation x y equal to entire things we come to know only for 21. Next step is very important. Now listen, yc equal to a plus bx. Yc equal to a plus bx. What is the value of a? What is the value of b? Because x value already available. I mean third column x value already available. Now we want to identify a plus b. So a, what is the formula? It is there, you see. A equal to summation y divided by n. Summation y value, second value end 91. N in the sense number of years 7. So value is exactly 13. Next b. What is the b formula? Summation xy divided by summation x square. Summation xy value is 21. Then summation x square value is 28. 21 divided by 28, the value is 0.75. So next we want to identify yc equal to a plus bx. X value already available. A right now we are identified 13. B equal to exactly 0.75. So how we can formulate in the sense, for example, this the value, for example 2000 equal to, now what is the first value? 13 plus a plus b. B value is 0.75 into x value minus 3. If you are having calculator, kindly take the calculator. In the calculator, 13 plus 0.75, open the bracket, minus 3, close the bracket. What is the value? 10.75. 10.75 first value. Likewise, you try to go for the second one, the same thing. For example, 2001 equal to 13 plus 0.75 into minus 2. Second value 11.5. And third value already calculated 12.25. Fourth one 13. Fifth one 13.75. So likewise, next 14.5. Last one 15.25. This is exact value from cited above the tables. The first value 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 15s. Likewise, we can calculate the graph like this. For example, here you try to consider as a year productions. So what is the first year? 2000. Likewise, 7 point you try to formulate. How many years you will need? Next you formulate. Likewise, we supposed to create a graph. So in this model, we are not asking any kind of the graph. How we can do? Just once again, we will make for some recapitulations. Year production, x square, x y and yc. This is very important. Likewise, you try to formulate this time series analysis. Easily we can reach very good mark, especially for this time series analysis, the demand forecasting activities. Graph is not required for your understand purpose. In upcoming videos, I will show very detailed the graphical point of how we can reach upcoming years, what is our demand forecastings. Hope this video will helpful for your academic activities. If interested, kindly subscribe my channel and kindly refer your friends also. Thank you once again. We'll see some other good video in upcoming days.